yourself and tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Say, baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me babe.
Alright, hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So today I've got a new unit for you guys. This unit that I am rocking today is from Wiggins Hair. This is their 9x5 closure unit. It's in their loose deep wave and it's 26 inches, you guys. Perfect for summer if you want that long summer length. And I believe the density on here has to be like 180 to 200. It's almost like the perfect density. The hair is beautiful. I love the slight wave of it. You guys, this is truly a pop on and go unit. I did not have to do too much to it. I keep looking at myself right here in the mirror. I need to stop doing that. I didn't really have to do anything to it, y'all. The lace has already been pre-plucked and pre-cut. This is definitely an out of the box unit for you to just pop on and go. It's been a minute since I kind of pulled myself together. Honestly, I've just been kind of chilling since Isaiah's been out of school, but this took me no time to do. So yeah, let me go ahead and stop blabbing. You guys, don't forget to check the description box. I will put all the information down there if I got any coupon codes or whatever the case may be. And let's go ahead and get into this super simple tutorial. Y'all, let's get into it. So here is the unit straight out of the package. I am going to go ahead and bleach the knots on this, but here is the texture, little slight wave to it right out of the package. Yeah, bleach the knots, didn't do any plucking, didn't have to do any plucking because look at this hairline. You can really just pop this on and go, you guys. Doesn't come with any comb, so keep that in mind. With this unit, you do get a lot more lace in the front. It's definitely not ear to ear, but you get a little bit more options as far as how you want to part your hair. So of course I'm going to do a middle part. You can do a small side part if you would like to, or no part at all. Just letting you guys know that's where that 9x5 comes into play. So here's how the unit is looking. Of course, like I said, I did bleach the knots on here, did let it air dry a bit, and now we're just going to go ahead and use my little lace spray from Even. This stuff is absolutely amazing, you guys. I've never used glue in my life, don't plan on using it, and it's not a hairspray. It's really just for your lace. Make sure you are really getting the edges of your lace to hold it down. I only did about 3 small little sprays. You don't need a lot of this, and that was basically it. You can go glueless. I just did not go glueless this go around because it wouldn't stay right on my head. The wig was a tiny bit too small. So I definitely needed the extra security, which took about 2 minutes to do, y'all. Just pump a little bit of the spray on there, blow dry it down, you're good to go. Doesn't take a lot of time. And yeah, this is definitely a small head friendly wig. So if you have an issue with finding a wig that fits your small little head, just like some of us have issues with our bigger heads like me, this is definitely going to be up your alley. So here, of course, totally optional. Like I said, this unit did come pre-plucked. I am doing some little swoopage on the hairline on my hairline, of course, because I just like laying my edges. I feel naked without doing it. So try not to do too much, just doing enough. And I used my Design Essentials foam with that. So once I got that exactly how I wanted to, I was basically done with the hairline. Not much to do with this unit, especially with the closure wig. It's meant to just throw on and go. Of course, I just added my little baby hair and I'm just tying it down and gonna blow dry it down so that it's all nice and set. Now, if I'm being completely honest with you guys, I could have stopped right here. I was very tempted to just, be done right here because the hair felt beautiful. I washed it, hung it to dry, conditioned it, all that great stuff. But I took it a little bit further for the sake of this video. You guys see the hair is, you can't see, but trust me, the hair is so soft right here. It looks beautiful. The luster, just all of it, I was absolutely in love. So I'm not going to do too much to it. So I'm just taking this board bristle brush and just combing it through really lightly. It was pretty much detangled, but I just combed it through just a bit. And then I just took my hot comb right here. I don't even think it's on the highest setting, and just hit the part a couple times on each side, maybe like 2 or 3 times on each side, and that was it. I wasn't going for a super flat look, but it definitely needed to be flattened out. And then next I'm going to take 2 products. The product right here that I'm using is from Shea Moisture. It's the Curl Shine. It's in that it's like the Curl Enhancing Smoothie collection or whatever. It's the Curl and Shine Mist with like the peach label. I just sprayed that all throughout my hair really lightly. I tried my best not to soak it, you guys. It's really not soaked. It's just really giving some shine. Like, the hair is so shiny. It's so soft at this point. And then I took that small bit of Curl Enhancing Smoothie and just worked it into this section. And I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Also, you guys, if you are not following me on TikTok and Instagram and haven't subscribed already, make sure you do so. Also, if you follow me on those places and you saw me wearing like a green little pantsuit, this is the hair that I'm wearing in those pictures and videos, just a FYI. So anyways, just gonna finish working at this Curl Enhancing Smoothie through these waves. Y'all, I have tried so many curl products, combinations, all that great stuff when it comes to like just finding something for curly hair. My curly wigs or wavy wigs, and honestly this line, the Curl and Shine line, whatever it is, from Shea Moisture, has been my absolute favorite. This hair, like, you just don't need a lot of product with it. You really don't need any. Long as it's moisturized, conditioned, you should be good to go. Definitely vacation friendly, easy going unit. So anyways, you guys, just gonna finish up these little touches, pop some concealer on my part, let it air dry a bit, and that's really it for this look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check the description box. Everything you need will be down there, you guys. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, all that great stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.
If somebody said, then tell me who.